Drones. We have all seen them. They are the emerging technologies that have influenced the world around us. They present a new outlook, allowing us to see what is above the surface. Drones are flown all over the world, including Japan. Check out my website at incredibletraveler.com. I have written about 11 reasons to purchase a drone in 2020. In this video, I will show you 3 places in Japan where you can fly your drone. The first place you can fly your drone in Japan is Mira Peninsula. Welcome to Mira. This is the city situated in the Kanagawa Prefecture in Japan. The Mira Peninsula includes Kamakura, Zushi, Hayama, Mira, and Yokosuka. This peninsula is surrounded with beaches, allowing you to capture some amazing video footage while flying your drone across the ocean. The peninsula is located about 37 miles from Tokyo, Japan's capital city, and south of Yokohama. The second place to fly your drone in Japan is Miyakijima Island. Miyakijima Island is a hidden island located 124 miles south of Tokyo. The island can be accessed by plane or by ship. The volcanic island is surrounded by beautiful, towering mountains. Its crystal clear water allows for excellent snorkeling and particularly snorkeling with dolphins. Check out my video on Miyakijima Island where I swim with the dolphins. This large island is just the perfect place to fly your drone. And the third place to fly your drone is Chiba. Chiba is located 24 miles southeast of the center of Tokyo. Chiba is common for its agricultural fields. In fact, Chiba is ranked as the top 3 of the vegetable production areas, and it is one of the leading agricultural prefectures in Japan. As a result, drone flying in these areas presents some beautiful landscape, and it makes for a great place to fly your drone. There are a lot of agricultural territory to cover with your drone in Chiba. If you're wondering about other areas you can fly your drone, I recommend checking out the DJI website. The website provides a geomap of the safe fly zones in Japan. I also recommend checking out the Drone Maps Japan app on the iPhone.